Alright, this is our 2014 Ram 1500 Outdoorsman Edition. It's finished in white. It has some upgrades, such as it's got a suspension lift kit on it, running boards, aftermarket wheels and tires. We'll take a look at those in just a second. We got a towing package. Speaking of towing, this truck is powered by a 5.7 liter Hemi V8 with an automatic transmission and a four-wheel drive drivetrain. Take a look at these wheels. Power windows and power locks. We have a gray cloth interior, all in very good shape. One of the most remarkable features worth mentioning on this truck is that it has only 36,000 miles. Taking a look at the back here, power windows, power locks, lots of space back here. Back seat's in very good condition. We have storage on the driver's side and passenger side rear. Just open that up. You have probably 10 inches, 11 inches of storage right there on both sides. Taking a look at the front here, the steering wheel is equipped with Bluetooth controls, manual gear shift controls, cruise control. As mentioned earlier, it has 36,739 miles. Trailer brake controls. The gear shifter is on a dial for park, reverse, neutral, and drive. And there are your four-wheel drive controls. Neutral, four-wheel drive lock, four-wheel drive low, and two-wheel drive. Lots of neat features on this truck.